Today's video, we're going to be talking about AI for small business. See how small businesses can leverage AI to streamline operations and save costs. Small business owners, are you using AI yet? Let's talk in the comments. Like and subscribe for more tips on AI for businesses. Welcome to the Academy's Explainer series. Today, we're diving into the world of AI and how it's shaping the future of small and medium-sized businesses. In a rapidly evolving market, taking an AI-first approach isn't just a trend, it's the future of business. From optimizing workflows to unlocking new revenue streams, integrating AI into your business strategy can give you a critical edge over competitors. Here are 5 key ways AI can empower your business to thrive. AI can automate repetitive tasks, saving both time and money. Tools like automated customer support and billing systems streamline operations efficiently. AI-driven analytics offer deeper insights into customer behavior, enhancing overall satisfaction. Predictive AI models help forecast demand and optimize supply chains effectively. AI-powered recommendation engines boost sales by suggesting relevant products to customers. No-code AI platforms make it easier for businesses to get started with AI. For more tips like subscribe and follow us for updates, visit iedgeacademy.org for exclusive content and resources.